Imagine waking up every morning full of energy, sharp focus, calm confidence, and no coffee crash. Just steady, natural vitality. Now, think about this. What if the secret to unlocking that version of you isn't found in pills, supplements, or complicated workouts? It's hidden in something you already do every single day: your diet. Welcome to a journey where every bite you take can transform your body, sharpen your mind, and uplift your life. A balanced diet isn't about restriction or the latest food trend. It's not cutting carbs one week and eating only protein the next. It's about harmony, giving your body the right mix of nutrients so it performs at its best. When nutritionists talk about balance, they mean all the main food groups: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and of course, water. Each one plays a vital role. Miss one and your body just can't run smoothly. Let's start with carbohydrates, your body's primary fuel. Like a car needs petrol, you need carbs for energy. Choose complex carbs, like whole grains, oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. They release energy slowly, keeping you active and focused. Refined carbs, like white bread or sugary drinks, give you a quick boost, then crash your energy. Next up, proteins, your body's repair team. Think of them as builders fixing and strengthening every part of you. Protein keeps your muscles strong, your hair shiny, and your skin firm. You'll find it in lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, tofu, nuts, and seeds. Now, fats, often misunderstood. Not all fats are bad. Healthy fats are essential for brain function, heart health, and absorbing vitamins. Choose good fats from avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fish like salmon. Avoid trans fats and excessive fried foods. They drain your energy and harm your heart. Then come vitamins and minerals, the invisible helpers that keep your body running. Vitamin A supports your eyes. Vitamin C boosts your immunity. Vitamin D strengthens your bones. And B vitamins keep your energy flowing. The secret? Eat a colorful mix of fruits and vegetables every day. That's nature's multivitamin. Fiber is your digestive system's cleaning crew. It keeps your gut healthy, lowers cholesterol, and balances blood sugar. You'll find it in fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains. And finally, water. Around 60% of your body is water. It regulates temperature, supports digestion, and flushes out toxins. If you feel tired, cranky, or hungry, you might just be thirsty. Keep a bottle nearby. Your body will thank you. So why does all this matter? Because a balanced diet doesn't just keep you full, it transforms your entire life. Eat right and your weight stays healthy without extreme diets. Your energy stays steady. Your focus sharpens. Your skin glows, your immunity strengthens, and your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart problems drops dramatically. Here's an easy trick known as the plate method. Fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, 1/4 with protein-rich foods, and 1/4 with healthy carbs. Simple, balanced, and effective. What you eat doesn't just shape your body, it shapes your mind. Junk food can leave you sluggish or moody, while clean, nutrient-rich food fuels clarity, confidence, and motivation. And you don't need to change everything overnight. Start small. Replace soda with water, white bread with whole wheat, chips with nuts, and desserts with fruit. Each small step adds up, and soon your diet and your life will transform. A balanced diet isn't a short-term plan. It's a lifestyle. It's about giving your body the respect it deserves. Because what you eat today becomes the foundation of how you look, feel, and live tomorrow. So start today. Choose wisely. Eat mindfully. Fuel your body with balance. And watch your energy, focus, and happiness reach a whole new level. Remember, balance isn't just a goal, it's a way of life.